all are still playing here together, and right now I'm feeling very enjoy to see these students gathering, and it's really so beautiful. তোমরা কি করো, তোমরা খেলো, তোমার দাঁড় থাকলে তোমরা একটু ঘুরো, হ্যাঁ ঘুরো, হ্যাঁ। And they are interesting playing, and I am also interesting to see this playing style, and it's really so interesting and beautiful, and it's amazing. You can see all are playing together, and they are all friends. They just read in class 5, and right now I am making this video, guys. It's really interesting time for me because this girls are playing very nicely, and they are gathering because today is Friday, and they just come in Upazila for a festival purpose. Actually, it's a cake festival here arranged Upazila Purishad, and I'm making this video because these students are playing with each others, and it's really so interesting. I like this type of playing of these girls, and actually they are all best friends each others. This is gathering here, and it's really interesting.